Looking to build your dream PC but not sure which case to pick? In this video, we're breaking down the best PC cases available right now, whether you're after maximum airflow, sleek aesthetics, or compact designs. From budget-friendly options to high-end builds, we've got something for every setup. Let's dive in and find the perfect case for your next rig. Number 5. Be Quiet. Shadowbase 800FX. The Be Quiet Shadowbase 800FX is the perfect case for PC builders who want a balance of performance, silence, and style. Known for their quiet operation, Be Quiet has crafted this mid-tower case to offer exceptional airflow while keeping noise levels to a minimum. The Shadowbase 800FX comes equipped with 4 pre-installed Lightwings ARGB fans, delivering outstanding cooling performance and customizable lighting effects to make your build stand out. The case supports radiators up to 420 millimeters and multiple fan configurations, giving you plenty of options for air or liquid cooling setups. Its spacious interior supports ETX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, and there's ample room for graphics cards up to 430 millimeters in length, making it perfect for high-end GPUs. The case also includes tool-less drive installation for both 2.5-inch SSDs and 3.5-inch HDDs, ensuring an easy build process. The tempered glass side panel showcases your components, while the sound-dampening materials on the panels help maintain near-silent operation. Cable management is a breeze with rubber grommets and a spacious back panel, keeping your build clean and organized. The front I/O panel features USB-C, USB 3.2, and audio ports for quick access. And the case's sleek, minimalist design fits perfectly into any gaming or professional setup. Priced around $169.99, the Be Quiet Shadowbase 800FX offers a premium, quiet, and customizable case that's perfect for both gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build a high-performance rig. Number 4. Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB. The Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB is a sleek, modern mid-tower case designed for builders who want a perfect mix of aesthetics, airflow, and ease of use. With its tempered glass front and side panels, this case beautifully showcases your components and the vibrant RGB lighting from the 3 included Corsair AirGuide RGB fans. These fans not only light up your build, but also provide excellent airflow, keeping your system cool even under heavy loads. The case supports radiators up to 360 millimeters in the front and 280 millimeters on the top, giving you flexibility for custom cooling solutions. Plus, the IQ Lighting Node Core allows you to control your lighting easily through Corsair's IQ software. Inside, the 4000X RGB offers ample space for high-performance builds, supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, along with graphics cards up to 360 millimeters in length. The case's standout feature is its Rapid Route Cable Management System, which simplifies cable routing with a spacious 25 mm channel behind the motherboard tray, ensuring a clean, organized interior. The front I/O panel features USB 3.1 Type-C, USB 3.0, and audio jacks, providing convenient access for peripherals and fast data transfer. Despite its premium design and features, the case remains whisper quiet, thanks to optimized airflow and sound dampening materials. Priced around $129.99, the Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB is an excellent choice for builders looking for a stylish, high-performance case that's easy to work with and delivers stunning visual appeal. Number 3. Phantix XT Pro Ultra. Introducing the Phantix XT Pro Ultra, a mid-tower PC case that masterfully blends spacious design, advanced cooling capabilities, and modern aesthetics to cater to the needs of today's PC enthusiasts. Priced at approximately $79.99, this chassis offers exceptional value for its feature set. Designed to accommodate the latest high-performance hardware, the XT Pro Ultra supports ATX motherboards up to 280 millimeters wide and provides ample room for the largest graphics cards, with a maximum length of 415 millimeters and width of 184 millimeters. The case's dimensions, 450 millimeters in depth, 230 millimeters in width, and 500 millimeters in height, ensure sufficient space for efficient cable management and component installation. Cooling is a standout feature of the XT Pro Ultra. It comes pre-installed with 4M25 140D RGB fans, enhancing both airflow and visual appeal. The chassis supports up to 10 120mm fans or 6 140mm fans, with dedicated positions on the mid-plate for 3 120mm fans to provide direct cooling to the GPU. Additionally, there's space for a 360mm radiator at the top, catering to custom water cooling setups. The case features a tempered glass side panel, offering a clear view of your build's interior, while the ultra-performance mesh front panel ensures optimal airflow. The front I/O panel is equipped with a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, a USB 3.0 port, and a microphone/headphone combo jack, providing convenient access to essential connections. Storage options are versatile, with configurations allowing for up to 5 2.5-inch drives and 1 3.5-inch drive, or alternatively, 3 2.5-inch drives and 2 3.5-inch drives. The XT Pro Ultra also supports the latest motherboards with rear-side connectors, such as MSI's Project Zero and Asus's BTF series, enabling a clean, zero-cable setup. In summary, the Phanteks XT Pro Ultra is a thoughtfully designed mid-tower case that offers ample space, advanced cooling solutions, and modern features, all at a competitive price point, making it an excellent choice for both new builds and upgrades. Number 2. Li Lancool 207. Introducing the Li Lancool 207, a compact yet versatile mid-tower PC case that reimagines traditional ATX layouts to maximize both space and performance. Priced at $79.99 for the black variant and $84.99 for the white, this chassis offers exceptional value for builders seeking efficiency without compromising on features. Despite its MATX size, the Lancool 207 accommodates ATX motherboards, ATX power supplies up to 160mm in length, and graphics cards up to 375mm, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of components. Its dimensions, 455.6mm in depth, 219mm in width, and 456mm in height, provide a total volume of 45.5 liters, making it a space-efficient choice for various build configurations. The case features a unique offset motherboard tray design, which lowers the motherboard area to minimize interference between top-mounted radiators and components like memory modules. This thoughtful layout allows for the installation of a 360mm radiator at the top, catering to advanced cooling setups. Pre-installed are two 140mm ARGB fans at the front and two 120mm PWM fans above the PSU shroud, ensuring optimal airflow and cooling performance right out of the box. The comprehensive mesh panels on the front, top, and bottom further enhance ventilation, maintaining system temperatures even under heavy loads. The Lancool 207 also includes an adjustable anti-sag bracket for GPUs, ensuring that your graphics card remains perfectly aligned. The front-mounted PSU design, with side-facing connector ports, simplifies cable management, resulting in a clean and organized interior. In terms of connectivity, the top-mounted I/O panel offers easy access to essential ports, including USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Type-C, and audio jacks, providing convenient options for your peripherals. In summary, the Li Lancool 207 is a thoughtfully engineered case that combines a compact form factor with extensive compatibility and superior cooling solutions, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced PC builders. Number 1. Fractal Design North. The Fractal Design North redefines what a PC case can be by blending modern technology with timeless, minimalist aesthetics. Priced around $150, this mid-tower case stands out with its unique real wood front panel, available in walnut or oak finishes, giving it a sophisticated furniture-like look that fits perfectly into any home or office setup. But it's not just about looks. The North delivers excellent performance too. The mesh side panels ensure optimal airflow, while two pre-installed 140mm aspect PWM fans keep your system cool and quiet. It supports GPUs up to 355mm in length and radiators up to 360mm, making it perfect for high-performance builds. Whether you're setting up a powerful gaming rig or a sleek workstation, the Fractal Design North offers the flexibility and space you need. Inside, the case is just as thoughtfully designed. With a spacious interior and intuitive cable management channels, building and maintaining your setup is effortless. It also features tool-less drive trays and plenty of room for SSDs and HDDs, making storage expansion a breeze. The Fractal Design North is perfect for those who want a case that not only performs exceptionally but also complements their living space. It's a blend of Scandinavian design elegance and cutting-edge PC building features, making it a standout choice for builders who value both form and function.